Welcome to Borail News. Mar organizations felicitated frontline COVID workers at Haflong Civil Hospital. The Mar Women's Association, Mar Student Association and Mar Youth Association on Monday felicitated the frontline COVID workers at Haflong Civil Hospital.
So thank you so much. I was sure it's going to be.
The organization formally felicitated Deputy Commissioner Paul Barua, Joint Director of Health Service Dr. Dipali Burman, Superintendent of Haflong Civil Hospital Dr. Kalpana Kemprai and other health workers.
We want the love from your side.
Amid rising cases of COVID in the district, the Mar organizations have been actively creating awareness in village level, busting all.
Haflong Dil Se, there's one group I got
Lovers. Lovers, you forgot the lovers, yeah.
Haflong Lovers Dil Se. ये प्रोग्राम में because of Bumking Fanglo, who is my Facebook friend, he initiated one program of tree plantation and that really appealed me. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि somebody is taking care of this environment. And Upil ma'am, I have met her many times. And she was so interested in some kind of plantation and we met in Jatinga. उसका बाद during breakfast उन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग डॉक्टर्स को we should honor them. जो काम किया इन्होंने वो उसके लिए honor के लिए बहुत important है. इनका काम जो परिश्रम कर रहा है इसके लिए हम लोग को देखभाल करने के लिए. At least you are caring, you have a heart to care. वही important है. So ये एक सेकंड स्टेज में आ गया. सेकंड सेशन है हम लोग का जो कोविड का. हो सकता है 3-4 भी हो सकता है. आई डोंट नो. नथिंग कैन बी प्रेडिक्टेड. So far 1700 people have been impacted and the positivity rate is around 6 to 7%. And 8 deaths have occurred so far. Possibly there could be another death possibly. I could get a report today. The कारण जो डेथ का हो रहा है, some of the cases are because of comorbidity and late reporting. लोगों के लंग्स में निमोनिया हो जाता है, उसका रिकवरी एकदम इम्पॉसिबल है. ये जो डिजीज है ना, जो वायरस है, एक बार आपका सांस में लेने के लिए दिस थिंग क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज दिस मशीन कॉल्ड? दैट इफ इट कम्स बिलो 90 देन उसका बैक से लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So that you have to be careful, no, and anybody who is playing with their own life should not do it, and immediately you should report. कोई सांस का प्रॉब्लम है. I have given them oxygen concentrators, around 12 of them. I have kept team मेरे साथ रखा है कि कोई सिटीजन मेरे पास आ गया, उसको प्रॉब्लम हो गया घर में, I'll immediately deploy. For that reason मैं टीम रखा था. मैंने एनजीओ को बोला है कि वो लोग भी हमको इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए किसी का सांस का प्रॉब्लम, I'll deploy immediately with a technician. हॉस्पिटल आते थे टाइम भी लग सकता है कि मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन फार फास्टर देन द डॉक्टर्स विल टेक केयर ऑफ एंटायर पीपल. यही कारण के लिए हम लोग ने रखा था.
This is the second way. Then it is our duty to work, to help the people, to treat the patients. So one way we take it just like our normal duties. But this disease, this pandemic can affect us, the whole universe, not only the human beings, even each and everyone, the environment itself. But like to say, we in Haflong, we are very small district, and according to our population, but still then we had already few deaths, which one is really painful for us. It's already 8 deaths from our side, and some people, they were referred from our district to Guwahati. So those deaths we are not counting. So anyways, recovery rate is also now it's becoming higher and higher. But positivity rate, which one is very much concern for us, is positivity rate. People are having 2, 3, 1 like that in other districts. But for us, it's almost 7, 8. So it's a great concern that like people should come up for testing. Here what happens, we know that this village is having many fever cases. But when it's very sad to say that when our people goes, even we are having very short stops, though they go for testing, people doesn't come up. Sometimes they just lock, they hear that medical people are coming, they will just lock the door, and from backside they will just run away. It's going on. It's so sad that like they are not cooperating. So it's the society who can help us. People like you people, when you people will tell, no, maybe from doctor side they think that they are telling all the time and they will make us positive. Even they say that like when we find some positive people, then it's a benefit for the medical department, benefit to the government. Even those things also people say. Anyway, but we know that whenever someone is positive, we have to isolate them properly. Otherwise, everyone who will come in contact with that positive case, everyone will become positive. But it's like, just like a lottery to say that in this disease, maybe someone very old with having many comorbidity also recovers well. But some people very young, all of a sudden there is a death. So like today, I think in many known and everyone's family, someone or other having the disease, having fatal news also from our own family. So we
आज हमारे यहाँ प्रोग्राम लगाने का एक ही मकसद है कि इस कोविड बीमारी की लड़ाई में हमारा जितने भी हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और जितने भी फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से, उन सबको हम लोग धन्यवाद थैंक्स देने के लिए हमने ये प्रोग्राम रखा है। और ये तीनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिलकर ये प्रोग्राम रखा है, मार स्टूडेंट्स एसोसिएशन, मार वुमेन्स एसोसिएशन और मार यूथ एसोसिएशन। और ये प्रोग्राम रखने का एक ही वजह है, आज की इस सिचुएशन में कोई अपना loved ones, we have lost our loved ones or dear ones, and some are still अभी बीमारी के हालत में कोई हॉस्पिटलाइज भी है। और ये सब जितने भी हैं, इन सबको देखभाल करने के लिए हमारे साथ जितने भी हेल्थ वर्कर्स हैं, उन सब ने अपना जान लगा के अपना दिन रात एक जैसा करके अपना वक्त दिया है हम सबकी देखभाल के लिए। तो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर पब्लिक of the Dima Hasao district, we the organizations, 3 organizations have organized this program to give thanks and felicitate them and in the fight of this pandemic. So in the coming days also, we are hopeful that the administration and the health workers will do their good job. So और एक ही अपील है सब पब्लिक के लिए भी कि इस लड़ाई में हम सब एक साथ हैं और जितना भी अपना तरफ से जो भी हो सकता है हम लोग करेंगे। जैसे कि सरकार की तरफ से जितना भी SOP आता है, जितना भी हम लोग को ये जो भी हम लोग को करना होता है उसको हम लोग अच्छा से पालन करें और अपना घर में सुरक्षित रहे और ज़रूरत ना होने पर बाहर ना निकले। और यही हम दुआ करते हैं कि हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जल्द से जल्द कोविड फ्री हो जाए।
Reporting by Pankaj Timong, Borail News.